So today we'll be talking about playlists, almighty playlists. So what is playlist? Playlist is a collection of all your videos put in one section or one album. That is why it's called playlist. As you're playing it, the list it keeps coming, descending order or ascending order, or whatever way it is. So that is playlist. And today you'll be hearing the importance of playlists for YouTubers and how playlists work. I know some of you are saying, what's the benefits of playlists? Why should I use playlist on my YouTube? Why should I use playlist on my YouTube? What's the benefits of playlist? One, increase watch time. Playlists help the viewers engage. For example, now when you're using playlist, your video keep popping up. Just imagine I want to watch one of your videos and I'm intending to spend like 2 minutes. At the end of the day, I'm seeing more of your video that I feel I want to watch or I like, and I'm intended to spend 2 minutes. At the end of the day, I'm already spending 8 or 10 minutes. So it has increased your watch time in about 8 extra minutes or something like that. So with the help of a playlist, it has given you extra watch time. So that is why playlist is very, very important. So it improved video discovery. With the help of playlist, your old video can be discovered. I'm telling you for free, it happened to me. There's one video that I did 2 months ago, algorithm hack. When I did that video, I was even happy because I was having 200 views as at that time. So I wasn't using playlists on my end screen, and I wasn't even using playlists on my description. So I was just posting normal. But by the time I noticed the importance of playlists, I started using playlists for like a week ago, and I saw that video of 200 plus, I've gotten to 500 plus, and I was amazed. So it helped in discovering your video. It helps viewers to find related videos. With the help of your playlist, it helps viewers to find related video. When I mean related video, just like maybe for example Presence Vibe with Sonia 2 is doing algorithm hack and I am doing algorithm hack too. With the help of playlist, it can help our viewers to get related content, so they will see this and they'll be able to choose. That is how powerful playlists can be. So if you're not using playlists, please start using playlists on your end screen, on your card. 3, better organization. Playlists help to organize your video, coordinate your video to be in one single platform or one single section. Just imagine somebody is coming to your channel now and is seeing about 200 videos. Where did that person want to start from? The person will just see that your channel is disorganized, like I don't even know where to, is searching for. But playlists help you to be well organized. Or if this your section is for monetization, you put it. Oh, for beginners, you put it. For this, you put it. Like you have different sections of playlists of different types. I don't know if that makes sense. But when somebody is coming to your channel, your channel is well organized. So if I'm looking for monetization, I just go to your channel, I see a playlist on monetization. So anything I'm watching is on monetization. Anything I'm watching is on YouTube growth. Anything I'm watching is for beginners. So playlists help you to have organized channel. Yeah, organized channel. If that makes sense, organized channel. So playlist is very, very important. The 4th one is increased engagement. Playlists help to increase engagement for you, because sometimes I see people like, oh, I watch 1 or 2, 3, 4 of your videos and I feel you're doing well, you're doing amazingly well because of my playlist. So it's increased engagement. It keeps the viewers to comment, to like, to even subscribe. Just imagine they are just watching one of my videos and that's all, and nothing like that. Because when somebody comes to your channel, do allow that person to live for like 10 or 15 minutes. But if you don't have playlist, the person will just come and just leave. But by the time the person is watching, he's seeing the next that is coming up is another thing. The person can be like, oh, let me watch this one, I've been waiting for this, let me watch this one, I've been waiting for that. Do you get what I'm saying? So with the help of playlist, it increases engagement for you. So that is the benefit of playlist. Playlist is very, very important. If you've not created playlist, start creating it now. As I'm talking to you, at the end of this, by the time you finish watching this video, please go create your playlist. So now I want to talk about the tips for creating effective thumbnail. One, use descriptive title. Your title should be catchy. Yes, so look at your videos that you are going to pick, because not anyhow video you are going to put in. Just know that, okay, if this is about career growth, if this is about YouTube growth, if this is about monetization, if this is about Google AdSense, if this, just pick different that is related topic, then look for a title that you can use. It should be very descriptive title that is catchy, that is clearly related to what your video is all about. So you pick that. That is one. Use relevant thumbnail. Your thumbnail should be on point. Your thumbnail should be relevant. With 3, keep playlists up to date. Some of you like this, you've not updated your playlist at all. The playlist that you have done for 2 months, you've not updated it. You need to update it with new videos that is coming up. You put it, you update it. Last one, analyze playlist performance. Use your analytics to check your playlist. Which one are people vibing to the most? Which one are people liking the most? From there, you'll be able to be pushing that playlist more in your description or in your end screen or something. Been helpful? If yes, put it in the comment section. And if you know you've not been using playlists, tell us why you've not been using playlists. And if it's the first time of hearing this, please start creating your playlist now. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you get notification when my video pops up. And if you subscribed already, you know I love you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.